Hello everyone, this is Mark Snyder coming to you from www.marksnyderlaw.com. Today we're addressing a question from a writer who asks, how do I determine the value of my personal injury claim? Unfortunately, this is an incredibly difficult question to answer at this point, and by at this point I'm assuming we're talking about at the very beginning of a case. The reason why this is so hard to answer is there are so many variables that we simply don't know about. What makes up the value of your personal injury claim? Well, things such as the total cost of your medical care. In many ways, and in most cases, this is the major part of your damage claim. This includes all of the medical expenses to treat your accident-related injuries, as well as potential future medical care that will be required for injuries that don't heal and are possibly permanent in nature. In addition to your medical expenses, you have a right to recover expenses that you lay out due to things that you were doing prior to the accident but can no longer do yourself now that you've been injured. These things can include such things as lawn maintenance, working inside the house, transportation. If your vehicle has been totaled and right now you don't have a car and you have to take public transportation, the cost of that transportation can be collected in a personal injury claim. In addition to these types of damages, there's also what's called non-economic damages, and these apply to things such as, we've all heard, pain and suffering. These kind of damages are even harder to determine because they don't correlate with an actual expense. There's no bill for how much somebody has suffered because of an accident. There's no way to get a receipt to let you know how much it's worth no longer being able to play with your kids or have relations with your loved one. These kind of things vary from case to case. So the answer to your question at this point, unfortunately, you really can't determine the value of your claim. What I recommend is contacting a qualified personal injury lawyer to look at your case, examine everything, and work with you very closely to develop the strongest case possible. Once you are fully recovered, you will have a good picture of how much your claim is worth, and hopefully you'll be able to recover just that and be put in a position such as you were before the accident happened. Hopefully this answers your question. This is Mark Snyder from the law offices of Mark G. Snyder, and until we talk again, have a great day.